Hello guys, in this video we will be making a splash screen for our Android device in our React Native project. For that we are not going to use any third party library. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we are going to make this splash screen which you can see on the screen. Before we start making any splash screen, make sure that you have a React Native project and Android Studio installed on your desktop. As you can see, I have already opened React Native project in File Explorer. Now I will go to folder path and just type cmd here, and it will open a command prompt for us. And now I will type cod space dot and it will open VS Code Studio for us. Here we get a welcome screen. Let's get rid of this. As you can see on the left side, there is a source folder named Android. We have to open this folder in our Android Studio. Now I will go to my Android Studio and open this folder in my Android Studio. On the left side you can see Android's folder structure. It contains manifest and Java files. Now go to Java folder and then coms plus folder, right click on it, go to new activity and then just click on empty activity, and now just rename this activity to splash activity. Now click on finish. Now it will generate a Java activity and a XML file for this activity. Now just close both tabs. Now I want to go to manifest folder, and in the manifest folder I will just select manifest file and will select both activity tags here, and will replace this with I have already made, which you can use. So I will just go to my text file and just grab these two activity and will replace the existing activity with these two. You can see there is some error with Android theme tag. That is because we have not imported any theme for this activity. Let's just go to resources and values and then styles. We will add some style for our activity. I will just go to my text file. I will provide link for this file in the description so you can download it, and just copy this style and I will paste it here. So you can see there is no error. Now go to layout folder and then click on activity splash.xml. Now just replace the current layout with linear layout. Just add a gravity tag here and make it to center. Now inside the linear layout I will add an image view. The width is going to be wrap content and the height is going to be wrap content. The background for our image view is going to be, let's create a new asset. Just click on resources, go to new and then create a vector asset. Just I will select a local file for this. I will select a svg file and just click on next and then finish. Here you can see a new folder named drawable. Just type drawable.ic here and let's change layout width and height as well. I think there is some issue with our file. Just get rid of this extra spaces at the starting. Now go to styles.xml. Now just hover over the mouse on tools here and create namespace declaration. Now this is okay. Now go back to activity splash.xml. Just add a white background to it. Now I will go to com splash screen folder and then select splash activity and then copy the code from text file and will paste this here. Now import the handler class and intent class as well. Now go back to our VS Code. Here we will run our app. Finally we have built our splash screen. Now I will go to my emulator and open the app. Now you can see the splash screen is working. So that's it.